Hi friends, in previous session we learned the date part function. Now in this session we learn the date name function. So what is the difference between a date part and a date name? If you observe, date part will give the integer format. Now if I run this query, it will give the integer. Now it gives the year. So I want a name. For example, I want a month name instead of a integer value. Okay. So if you run this query, now if you run this query, it will give the month number. So month is a 5. So I don't want to display this 5. I want to display month name instead of the number. So client requirement, so he don't want to display number, he want to display the month name or a week name. So SQL provide the function called date name. So by using date name function, we can achieve. Now how to get? Okay, instead of date part, I'm using the date name. Okay, date name. Give the capital letter date name. So small letter or capital letter, anything it is, it will work. Now I'm giving a interval month. Okay, I'm giving interval month. How to get a month? Okay, how to get a month name from the given data. Now if I run this query, okay, if I run this query, see here, it will display the month name instead of the month number. Okay, by using date name function, I can display the name of the month. Now I want to display week. I don't want a month. Okay, removing this. Okay, now I'm giving week. Okay, I'm giving week. Okay, I'm changing alias name week. Okay, run this query. Now see, I'm getting the 18. Now week day. Okay, week day. Okay, it is giving a 4. And sorry, I have to use date. I have to use a date name, not a data part. Now see, I'm getting the Wednesday. Today Wednesday. That is why it is giving a complete name of a day. So, and if I change week, okay, if I change week, it will display the number. And if I change weekday, that means it will give the today. Okay, it will give the today name. So Wednesday, like this, it will give the complete name. So what is the difference between date name and the date part? Now if I use this instead of a date name, I'm using the date part. Now run these two queries. Okay, if I run, so it is giving a name and it is giving a number. So date part gives the number, date name gives the month name or a week name. Okay, if I give day here, okay, and I'm running this query. Okay, see, it is giving a number. So what is this 3? This is the day. Okay, and if you want to name of a, okay, if you want a today name, okay, instead of a year or a month, okay, week, day or a month. So if I run these two queries, it will give the name and it will give the number. So there is a small difference. By using the date part, it will give the integer. If you go interview, they will ask the interview questions. So how to get a month name, how to get a weekday name? So we have to tell by using the date name, we can achieve that functionality. and I want to know the only number instead of this text. Means instead of week name or a month name, I want to get a only integer number. In that scenario, we have to use the date part. So by using the date part, we can get the part of from the given data. Okay, that is we can get a year or we can get a month or we can get a day. So all this we learned from the previous session. Now in this session we learn the date name. So there is a difference between date name and date part. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.